You've got a plan for college. And now it's time to make a plan to pay. Where do you start? With the free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA. It doesn't sound that fun, but don't worry. Let's break it down to make the application process as easy as possible for you. Submitting the FAFSA is your key to getting all kinds of financial aid for college. It's how the schools where you get accepted figure out your financial aid package, which might include grants, work-study, federal student loans, and even state and school financial aid. It never hurts to fill it out. Nearly everyone who submits the FAFSA qualifies for some aid, and it's available in over 10 languages. Here are some tips to help you get started. First, choose a contributor and gather all the info. A contributor can be a parent, spouse, or step-parent. And what info do you need? Both you and your contributor need your dates of birth, mailing addresses, emails, phone numbers, and social security numbers. You may also need your 1040s and W-2 forms from 2 years ago, so keep them handy. Second, go to studentaid.gov. This will be your go-to and only site to fill out your FAFSA. Don't fall for any sites that charge you. Remember, the first F in FAFSA stands for free. At studentaid.gov, you and your contributor will each request your Federal Student Aid, or FSA, ID. You'll both need FSA IDs to complete your FAFSA. And just a heads up, it usually takes about 3 days to get them. Third, submit your FAFSA ASAP. Some aid is given out on a first-come, first-served basis, so submit it as soon as it opens to get the most aid possible. After you hit submit, you're done. It'll be processed in about 3 to 5 days. Keep in mind that you'll need to file the FAFSA every year you're in school. Our FAFSA guide breaks down the application for you step by step. Follow along as you fill out your FAFSA at salliemay.com/FAFSA guide.